Hello everyone! Have you noticed that apps on Google Play are now using a new format called AAB, or Android App Bundle? This change helps make apps smaller, faster, and more optimized for your device. But here's the catch: AAB files can't be installed directly like the old APK files. So, if you want to back up or share your apps, you'll need to convert them into Split APKs. These include all the necessary files to ensure the app works perfectly on any device. Stay tuned for a quick guide on how to do it easily.
Press and hold voice button and say Open Google Play Store.
Okay.
Search and install XAPK APK on installer. Move cursor to the app you want to back up. Long press OK button and select Backup. You have options to save Split APKs into a directory, or save Split APKs into a single file with an APK Plus extension name. This is similar to APK's APKM. You can use S to X file manager to restore them later on the same device or other device with similar architecture. To restore it from a directory, click on base.apk. To restore it from an APK Plus file, click on it to install.